In this video, I am explaining about data integrity and ALCOA Plus. What is data integrity in pharma? Data integrity refers to completeness, consistency, and accurateness of raw data in the data life cycle. Data integrity is critical throughout the CGMP data life cycle, including in creation, modification, processing, maintenance, archival, retrieval, transmission, and deposition of data after the record's retention period ends. GMP means good manufacturing practices. CGMP means current good manufacturing practices. What is ALCOA Plus? ALCOA Plus is a set of principles that ensures data integrity in the life sciences sector. It was introduced by and is still used by the FDA. Attributable. Data must be attributable means that all collected data must have information on who collected the data, who acted, and when the action was performed. Who recorded the data or entry, who checked, corrected, or modified the data with date, time, and signature. Legible. Legibility means the collected data must be precise and understandable. Data must be neatly written and easily readable. Data must be permanent. Do not use erasable ink pen and pencils. Example of non-legible data. Data must be legible for the entire lifetime of the document. You must never need to reach out to the author of the document. Contemporaneous. This means that the data must be recorded at the same time the action is performed. Again, this is extremely important in pharmaceutical research and the manufacturing process. Data must be recorded at the time it is generated or observed. Data must be checked and write in real time or online time. Original. Data must be original. It means that the point or medium at which the data is recorded for the first time must be used for further processing. In other words, there should not be a secondary source of data. First capture of information recorded on paper or electronically and officially verified. Do not record data on scrap of paper, rough page, copies or transcriptions. Accurate. The most basic requirement for any data point to be used in the analysis is that the data should be accurate. It should be complete and free from error. Any changes or updates must be performed only as per the good documentation practices. Complete. All data that is recorded should be complete. There should be audit trails to ensure that any changes to the data are captured with respect to the source of change as well as time. Nothing must be deleted or lost without reasons, and an audit trail to capture it. Consistent. This means that all data points must have a date and time attached to them, and it should be possible to create chronology or sequence of events based on the data. The captured sequence must match the expected sequence. Enduring. Enduring denotes the storage of data safely long after the event has happened. This signifies the ability to store data in reliable places for a long duration, either as manual record or as a database. Data replication may help us to store our data in multiple places. Available. Data must be available whenever needed. The key difference from the previous construct is that this one emphasizes the ability to retrieve data at any point in time and not only about sorting data. This principle touches upon properly accounting data in the form of indexes and labels. Summary of ALCOA Plus. Attributable. Record who wrote it and when with sign and date. Legible. Data should be readable after it is recorded. Contemporaneous. Record the data at the time it was generated, that is online. Original. Data in its unaltered state. Accurate. Data reflect its actual value or trueness, free from error. Consistent. Data in sequential manner with sign and date. Follow GDP for consistency in documentation. Complete. Data in complete state to avoid recreation or manipulation. Enduring. Making sure records exist for the entire period. Available. Available for review at any time.